Okay, we're at the Beachfront Markets here in Surfers Paradise, so I'm just going to go for a walk and just record whatever we see. Yeah. I did come here a few nights ago, I think on the Wednesday night, but it was too dark and the video footage came out really poor. Obviously the GoPro doesn't like really low light, and I had it on too high frames per second, so I've just lowered it now to 1080 to 1080p at 30 frames per second, and I'm hoping that it'll actually come out a little bit better than last time. But anyway, we'll just keep walking, have a look at a few stalls. It's still daylight here. It's probably around 5:30 in the afternoon. Okay, as you can see, there's still people on the beach out there. Not much sun left, but there's people there.
Yeah, really nice. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Necklaces. You got tissue paper holders, I think they are. Hey, yeah, here we go. For doggy, we can get a harness for your dog. Okay. Okay, over there they've got the bird cage, but obviously we'll come back a bit later, but they've got bird cage where you can put parrot on your shoulder and pay $20 per bird, I think it is. Okay, lots of arts and crafts.
Oh, really?
There you go, wooden keyboard. Wooden cases for your phones. You get free samples, magnesium oil. Obviously, magnets, ribbons. Actually, I like these hand-painted artwork. They have the surfboards here. A few people here. Okay, what we got in here? We got handmade jewellery, I think, by the looks of it. Yeah. Make your own candles. There you go, you can make your own candles. Double headbands, beanies. Simply. Okay, definitely a lot of arts and crafts here. There's stalls on both sides. I'm only doing the ones on the, as I'm walking on my left hand side, and then on the way back I'll film the opposite side. These are happy head massages, bits of wire so you can massage the top of your head. I could actually use my fingers to do that, but anyway, relieves dry itchy skin. Got some shells. A little handmade crystal. name in rice. You can get it. Hold on. Okay. Yep. Aromatherapy bracelets. All the kiddie stuff here. Goo. Okay. Handmade bottle clocks over there. Design your own hats. People still coming off the beach over there by the looks of it. Not many people in the water, but obviously still daylight, a few people out there. And the market continues. This is the iconic Surfers Paradise Arch, and down there is Cavill Avenue. Ah, this is where they have the kiddies' whistles. You're trying to sell me a whistle again, are you?
How much are you spending on dinner or other shops?
The lady the other night, she was trying to sell me a whistle. I go, oh, I'm a bit old for the whistle. Okay, definitely a lot of little bracelets and handmade bits and pieces. Oh, you get a little doggy. Little doggies come for a walk too. Headband. Okay. T-shirts. Cool. What are these? Temporary tattoos? I think they're temporary, aren't they? Yes. Oh, okay, well, yeah, well, you know so. Temporary tattoos. Okay. Okay, definitely a lot of handmade jewellery places here, so obviously people that are in arts and crafts. Little doggy there. You've got mobile phone cases. Rubik's Cube. There you go. Interesting hand bracelets. Oh yeah, doggy, yep. Trying to squeeze through. There you go, what do we got here? I don't know what these are. Coin pockets. Obviously you put your coins in there. Like a little coin wallet. I think this is where the market ends. Okay. Okay, back at the beachside market here at Surfers Paradise. Just doing all the stalls on the opposite side. Handmade cutting boards, wooden cutting boards. Oops, sorry. People over here, I'm bumping into everyone. Byron beef jerky. Anyone want some beef jerky? There you go. You want some honey? No? You want some honey? No? I like these lights the other night. They actually light up really nice at night, but like a lot of things you buy here, 2 or 3 weeks later, they break down. There you go. You want to nice candles? Give someone the bird. You go. What are they? What are they?
It's perfume, and they sell it in these.
Oh, the bottles.
Genie bottles.
Genie bottles. Oh, okay.
And if you're lucky, you get a genie.
You get a genie. Oh, no, in my luck, I won't get a genie. I'll get someone else coming out.
Well, we came here in January.
Okay, got a quartz. What's that? High bounce balls. Obviously, a lot of stalls there with kiddie stuff. Okay. Like I said earlier, I tried taking video a few nights ago when we came here on Wednesday night. It's actually Friday evening now, or still daylight, but we came around 7-8 o'clock on Wednesday, and it was dark. Couldn't see the sky. It was dark, pretty dark, and the video didn't come out at all that great, so I didn't post anything, but thought we'll come out a bit earlier today and check it out. There you go, the little doggies coming out. Still enough light for people to go out there on the sand. Obviously the sun's gone. There you go, you can see up on the buildings there, the sun's sort of dying off.
Oh yes, yeah. Oh yeah.
That's Cavill Avenue down there, the famous little archway here that says Service Paradise, and it's looking down into Cavill Avenue. Free taste test. Houdini sandals. Oh. Okay. Cartoonist here, so I can draw you a picture. Definitely a lot of people here. Not as many as it was on Wednesday, but still early. Yeah, magnets. Hello, boss. There you go. You got the magpie. There you go. Magpie. Good team in Collingwood. Okay, little kids drawing area by the looks of it. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's like a scratch pad for the kids to draw on it, by the looks of it. Probably better drawings than I have. Castaway jewellery. $10. Definitely a lot of stalls here have jewellery, like, you know, handcrafted jewellery and what have you. Definitely a must see when you're down here in Service Paradise. You know, you come down and they hold it 3 days a week, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday evenings from 4 to 9, and it's pretty good. You get a lot of souvenir stuff, a lot of arts and crafts, and even handmade stuff, and then local produce like honey and nuts and all sorts of things. Like here we've got clothing, Italian linen. What's in here? Cracked heels, tired feet, so you get moisturiser for your feet. All sorts of fun and games. There you go.
I'm going this way or this way or this way.
There you go. You come and get a temporary tattoo if you want. Temporary tattoos. You want a tattoo? No? No? Temporary tattoo. Okay, we got the popcorn. I just offered Mum a temporary tattoo, but she's not into it. Clothing. This is the alligator shop. Said the other night, genuine alligator skins, and I mean, how would you know? Okay, and that's the beach on that side with a little koala, whatever that is. Okay. And we'll just have a traffic jam in the middle there. Kids whistling with those. Not taking any photos. Taking video. Don't take any, lady at one of the stores says don't take any photos. I go, I'm not taking any photos, I'm taking video. And it's not like I'm going to steal any of her state secrets. Unless she's working illegally, of course, and the tax department's after her, so she doesn't want any photographs. Who knows? I don't really care, to be honest. There we go. There's not many stores. I think this is the very last store, and once I go past it, I'll turn the camera off. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I think my next video is going to be we're going to a Greek restaurant, and we'll check that out. Hopefully I'll post a bit of video from there. Have a good one. Okay, we're ready to eat a Greek authentic lamb gyro souvlaki, and we've got our fixed beer there. This is on the main strip here in Surfers Paradise. Now it's time to eat.